Hello everybody, welcome to, well, it's Mask Monday. My name, as you all know, is Miss Sassy Pants. That's right, I am the queen of skincare. Okay, so it's been a while since we have been on the Mask of the Mondays, or on the YouTube, whatever, but that's only because when the lady has something done, it affects us all. Yes, it did, didn't it? You was the worst. She kept wanting to eat the nacho cheese Doritos, and we, oh Lord Jesus, I know we was praying to you a lot. Okay, but just anyway, so listen. Okay, Edward, yes, please, everybody, just check their drinks. Just keep filling it up with my cheap beer. Thank you very much. You know what? That's because I give the cheap beer. Get over it, all right? You didn't pay for those very expensive tickets that bring you up here close to me. Anyway, all right, so listen, okay, so Greg, keep them back. Okay, so listen, I know I'm just getting so sidetracked everywhere. I'm gonna have a special guest today, so I'm gonna have to keep this one just a little bit on the PG-13. That is only because it's the lady's granddaughter. Yes, she's going to be doing a face mask with me, so everybody out there in YouTube land, keep your lips, yes, that's right, you keep your language down to PG-13, and those of you in the audience, that's right, you too, you shut the hell up. I'm telling you right now, you watch your language, or I will have lazy ass kick your ass. Okay, that went against everything I said we was gonna do, but you know what, I'll just have to we'll just bleep it out, or I'll just have her not watch the video. But I know she's gonna want to watch it because she's in it. So, but you know, we'll wing it. Okay, so anyway, listen, this is what we're gonna do. The mask I'm gonna use is this one right here. This is the plainest, and the reason I'm doing this one is because it's got a puppy on it. Yes, okay, so this one is the revitalizing mask. It's got retinol. Yes, and then she's going to do this one right here. Yes, you see, the zebra. It's a zebra. That's how we say it. I'm not sure where, but that's how we say it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bring her in here, and then I'm gonna excuse her because after we have our special guest on my show, I've got the ladies huge panties, you know, the splendies. Yes, the ones for her big ass. Yes, well, I know, just be quiet, okay? I will do better. You just ring that little bell. It's just like a... Okay, so I'm watching my mouth. Just behave, smart cookie. All right, I can see. It's like a little red light right there. She'll sting. Okay, so anyway, all right. I'm gonna cut out for just a second, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring her in. If the audience, the mob, please do me a favor, calm down, just keep it low. She's gonna be 11 years old, so please everybody, but give her a huge round of applause, okay? Just a moment. I would like to introduce you to the lady's third grandbaby in just a moment. Welcome back to the Sassy Skincare Show. No, wait a minute. I'm sorry. What was that? Let's not. No, wrong show. Okay, wrong show. My bad. Okay, this is Mask Monday, guys. This is my guest. This is K-Rose. I don't know what her name is. What is your name?
My name is Callie.
Oh, it's Kelly. It's Kelly. I'm sorry, Kelly. Okay, so this is Kelly. She is the third grandchild of the lady. Okay, so what do you do for a living, Miss Kelly?
So like for a living, I eat, and like I also make like Roblox videos.
So she costs her mother money. That's what she does. She costs her mother time. She costs her mother money, and just, well, that's what you do. You eat, shit, and sleep. Oh, dear Lord Jesus. Okay, okay. Let's a church up in here. We got kids in the room. Okay. We could bleep that out, you guys. It's okay, we could bleep that. It's not like she's never heard that before. Okay, so listen, she's got this killer, she's got a website, okay? So it's a YouTube. I'm going to leave her link down below in my destruction box, okay? That's what I'm gonna do.
It's actually called like description box.
No, it's the destruction box.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, absolutely. We're going to leave her information down in the instruction box. And you just go ahead, click on it. Not you guys, not you adults. You go tell your grandchildren, okay? Well, so I don't know what the heck you guys doing. It's called the Roblox.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, that's what it is. So if your kids and your grandchildren like to do that, just send them over, click on it and everything like that, and just tell them to subscribe, okay? Because she's trying to do a collab and do some giveaways. All right, now you're taking up too much of my time. All right, so let's go. Let's get your face mask. I'm doing this one. She's doing this one. Yeah, whatever. Okay, just this is my show. I'll throw you out like I did J-Lo. So, people try to take my shows away. All right, so hold on. We'll be back in just a moment. Go ahead, Miss Lady. Crank up that fun.
Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around someone? 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow.
Stop that music, Miss Lady. Okay, so we look like Michael Myers or, I don't know, Jason from Halloween or the Sleepy Hollow.
That's so true.
I don't know. You know what she looks like? She looks like the one from the, what was it? The Who? You guys know which one I was talking about? The Wizard? Is it like the Wizard of Oz? You look like the lion.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You do. She's got the pebbles from Fruity Pebbles. She's got Pebbles' the headband on from I Love and Heart Revolution, whatever the heck it's called. I don't know. It's whatever. I don't care. It's not the big of a deal. But anyway, you look like the lion from the Who. Yes, you do.
Well, you look like...
I'm not sure. I look like Michael Myers from Halloween.
Yeah.
This is like Jason. I don't know. But look at this. See? Okay, that's what I do. Okay, but this guy's, it smells so good, you guys. It does.
It feels so weird, and I actually like it.
I didn't ask you any questions when you're on my guest. You are my guest. I ask you questions. You don't just say things. He's always trying to take my show from me. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'll ask a question. What was your answer? See, you forgot. See, she doesn't even know what she's doing. Okay, so anyway, yeah, okay. So it's my show. It's the Sassy show.
It's our show.
That's the Mask Monday. Sassy has a guest appearance. Okay, so anyway, you guys, we're gonna be back in a little bit, just in case, because when I excuse my guest, then I'm gonna show you the ladies' big huge panties from Splendies. So give us just, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes and we'll be back. Right? You just say we'll be back after a word from our sponsors.
We'll be back after a word from our sponsors.
Did you pay for any sponsors to be on my show?
No.
Well, then what the hell did you say something like that for? That doesn't make any sense. Oh my God. Now she's going to get me in trouble from a sponsor. I don't have any sponsors anyway. We'll be back, you guys, because now I got to go call my lawyer. Welcome back. We are here. Damascus, not in Damascus. That's another place in the world. Okay, but the masks are, see, look at the damn fans start drying them off. All right, so, hey, Miss Lady, crank that music up.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now.
Ta-da! Stop that music, Miss Lady. Okay, so that was the mask for today on Mask Monday. It was 2 masks. This one was a zebra. And it did not look like a zebra.
It was a lion.
It was a lion from The Wiz. I know it was. We had to ask the husband, but he made chili this weekend for chili dogs. But we don't have a picture of it. She ate it. Was it good?
Yeah, it was
so it's
amazing.
Delicious. The husband always makes the most delicious. And he does the hot dogs from Dodger Stadium, the Dodger dogs. Yes, oh my God. But anyway. Okay, so we are going to excuse the appearance of my guest. Oh yeah, my guest is going to disappear.
Yeah, technically.
Okay, all right, so let's everybody give a big, huge round of applause. Craig, everybody, Edward. It's William. Hey.
William, can you put your dress down?
Oh my my dear Lord. Jesus. Oh, she's talking to William too now. You got voices in your head?
Yeah.
I know. We all got voices in our head. Okay, so anyway, all right, William, put your dress down. Okay, so listen, everybody give a big round of applause. Thank you so much for coming on my show.
You're
I hope
welcome.
this is hello, excuse me. Oh my goodness, she did not read the script before she came on the show. Okay, so if you would just go ahead, we're gonna excuse her and we will be right back from a word with our sponsor, my attorney, because I don't have a sponsor. Whatever. No big deal. Okay.
Bye.
Welcome back, you guys. That was so wonderful having that guest on my show. She was very nice. I'm gonna have to tell the lady that she has very well-mannered grandchildren. Okay, so this is the splendies for June, you guys. Okay, William, you know you can't lift your dress up when I have a guest on the show and they're under the age of 13, because you have no panties on. I mean, look at, you're sporting the 1970s. I'm after the show, I'm gonna give you the business card to my landscapers, okay? Because yeah, you need, honey, you need a whack-a-mole. I mean, seriously. Oh dear Lord Jesus. I mean, church up in here, right? Okay. So anyway, here we go. This is for the June splendies. It's just a little normal tissue paper, nothing special for June. I guess they didn't think about Flag Day, did they? Okay, you guys, I do see some panties in here. They're very pretty. They're from Splendies, for Splendy brand. Look at these, you guys. Aren't they pretty? And by the way, she's getting the size she can wear now. She's like superhero. Not today. We're not superhero today. I just think I grabbed the wrong bottoms. My covers, my Whoopot's covers, my Fupa covers. That's what they are, right? They're Fupa covers. Yes, they are. And by the way, I have to wear my glasses because I forgot to put in the contacts. So anyway, look at, they've got this pink. You see that? And it's very, very sheer. You can see it through them. So I do hope it covers her crack. I just know I'm gonna see her crack. She's gonna go, look at this, Sassy, and I'm gonna go, oh dear Jesus, Lord Almighty. I'm sorry, you need to help her hide that crack. Okay, anyway. Look at this. They think we're like 12 again. Unicorns. They're unicorns, you guys. And they've got lace on the back. Yes, look at this. They're very pretty, though. They're very pretty. Don't say they're not. Don't say that. You know, no, you can't wear them, William. Not until you get rid of that. You need some landscaping done. Lord have mercy. I know. Okay, never mind. These are pretty, you guys. You know, for $12. These are $12. These are the 1X. And these do look like they're going to cover, but they're going to go straight up her butts. Her butts. You know, the chickens. Yes, because look at how it's cut. Also going to go, let me know which one's your favorite down in the comment section down below. And this is kind of like what we have. They always give us like a granny panty style, you know, the material. These are very cute. I know, these are nice. I like these. You know, these would go with what I'm wearing right now. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. I thought you could see them. But you know, look, yes. Okay, let's see if they got a pocket for your rocket. They do. Okay, ladies, this, oh, what, no. Okay, you could put a small pocket, a small rocket in there. Let's see if they got a pocket for your rocket in this one. No, this one's got no rocket pocket. Let's see if the big ones do. I don't know. It's like these, they're almost like different sizes. You know, I think they started sewing them up because they might have been watching my videos and I kept saying that's a rocket for your pocket, you know. Well, you know, it's like, this has no, it's not there. So I think Splendies started sewing them up. But you know, they should go back to leaving them how they were. There's a lot of ladies that sit at their desk, you know, they just woo, you know, I mean, just like, woo. You need that energy at the middle of the day. Well, I'm just saying, you know. But anyhow, What did you think of the ladies' big, large, and in charge panties from Splendies? Those was the June Splendies panties. Oh, yes, they were. They're beautiful, you guys. Look at these. You have the floral. You've got these are the unicorns. Look at the unicorns. They're so pretty. And then you have, well, you know, this, we just call those crack. Yes, these are her crack panties. Okay, so anyway, you let me know which ones you liked. Okay, I'd appreciate it down in the comment section down below. Okay, so right now, we're almost done with this show. I have to spray my face with some Manicador in just a moment. I have the fan blowing behind you. And by the way, we did get our air conditioner. They put a brand new one in. It's twice the size of the one that was there. The one that was there before could barely cool a VW bus. You know, the little bugs. Yeah. So this one cools a mansion in like 30 minutes, and the house is down to like 74. It took like 17 hours before to even get the house down 3 degrees before. So anyway, we got the AC done. It did make us very sick, all of us. The dental work, update on that. It's feeling good. I do have still a little, I can still feel it for the lady on that side. If I bite down on certain things, I'm afraid I'm going to open it back up. But other than that, we're doing pretty good. So anyhow, we have a lot of things coming up, you guys. So many of you said, open up all the boxes for June. So she said, yes, go ahead, Sassy, open up some damn boxes for June. So we started with panties. But we're going to see you later on this week in another video. I am going to be doing some unboxings, and I am going to start doing, that's right, the Sassy skincare show. So you guys do not want to miss that. It's not just going to be masking. No, I'm going to be doing masking on Monday, but I'm going to be doing, oh yes, I am. Yes, I am. And I'm going to be doing just skincare, because it's the Sassy skincare show. Okay, so anyway, all right, you guys. Thank you so much for coming. Not you, dumbass. You shut the hell up. But thank all of you. And you, William, I'm telling you, you better start wearing panties. That's disgusting. Thank God Greg did not turn around, Greg. Do not turn around. That will scar you for life. Anyway. All right, you guys, that is it for my show. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Peace.